What's Gucci gamers? Let's figure out how to do a shoutout command on StreamElements. Let's roll it. What's up guys, my name is Kyle, or I go by I am Triple G Online. I stream on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, so if you like these tutorials and stuff, go check us out in the description. And if this helped you out, make sure you go and give a subscribe and hit that bell and like it, leave a comment, do your thing. So today we are going to be setting up a chat command called shoutout on our StreamElements. So let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is go to your StreamElements. You either log into it via my dashboard, or when you first get to the screen, you can log into it via Twitch. So let's go to mine. We're here. What we want to do is scroll all the way down to chat commands right here on the side under bot and click it. So this is the main chat command page, and what you're going to want to do is go to custom commands, and we're going to make our own. So we're going to go here. As you can see, I have one right there. We're going to make a new one though. It's going to be called either shoutout, or you can just do SO. I like to use SO because it's short and not a lot of people have a lot of time to quickly write it. If you set it to moderator, then only your mods and yourself can give shoutouts, so that it's not just a whole chat worth of shoutouts. You know what I mean? All right, so I actually have this command already set up, and this is the code that I actually use already. I'm gonna leave my little message in the bottom in the description below. So I write, head over and check this cool cat out. $, bracket 1, bracket. Here's their Twitch, give them a follow at blah 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 blah, and then that. So the $, bracket 1 is the code that you're gonna need. So when you put it up in your chat, it's gonna come up their name. The only thing with this is if you write in the chat, I'll show you guys in a second actually, like if you're gonna be like at I am Triple G like that, it will come up the @ sign first. So you just need to write their name, I am Triple G. Type of deal. So other than that, you have it set up to moderator, all that jazz. You basically just hit activate command. So now this thing is ready to roll. You just go to your chat on your Twitch page. Make sure that you have it enabled, because if not, it's not going to work. So right now, I'm going to enable it. There we go. And if we go to my Twitch page right here, I'm going to test it. Exclamation mark SO. And I am Triple G. So no ats or anything, and hit, and it should pop up. Head over and check out this cool cat. I am Triple G. Here's their Twitch. Give them a follow. Boom. That is simple to do. Just make sure you always test it. That is the shoutout command. Well, I hope that was helpful, and if it was, make sure you go leave a subscribe down here, hit a like, and leave a comment. Let me know what cool chat commands you have done, or if there's any that I could do in the future. Remember, I am Triple G, and you guys gotta go and stay weird.